Hello everyone. So today in this video I'll be talking about how to use Google Forms, take attendance while we are lecturing online these days. So this might be really useful. Let's get started. First of all, we'll create a form to take attendance and create like this. Excellent. Calculus batch 1. Let's create some simple things like name, which automatically will be short answer. You can say required. More thing, say roll number. Nice. Here to avoid all sort of confusion, I mean people writing some letters and or comma or decimal point and all things like that. One can do the following. We can set up required over here too. We can say response validation. So you can set up a number over here, some condition over here. I generally say whole number. So if a person would write something like 1.2 or something, it will throw an error saying that the number has to be whole. Okay, if you wanna write some custom error message over here, you can write it like enter whole number, enter number without letters, without letters, or say comma, dot, and things like that. Okay, nice. Once you have created this thing, you might want to set up a corresponding Google Sheet. Let's do that. Accepting responses, not accepting responses, you might want to open this thing while you are taking class at certain point of time. If you keep it open, then anybody can respond any point of time if somebody has the link of Google Form. I usually keep it off, and while I'm taking class I'll make it on for some time to take attendance. So you can click over here, this will create a sheet corresponding to this particular class. Well, name you can change over here if you wish. I'll keep it the same. I say create. It's all created, you see. The good thing about this particular way of taking attendance is it will throw the timestamp and the date the guy signed the attendance sheet. Okay, there'll be name of a guy and roll number. Nice. So it's all done. There might be some setting which you'd like to do. You'll be following over here. Nice. So yeah, you can say collect the responses, collect the email addresses. Okay, you can set up a response receipt. Nice. Whether you want to send it anyway or you want the opinion of a student whether he'd like to receive or not, you can limit the response to just one response in order to not have too many, I mean multiple yeses of people. Nice. I usually keep it like this. Good. You say that's it, I suppose. Let me see. Yeah, I suppose that's it. Make a setting like this. Cool. It's all set now. So all you have to do now is, suppose you are taking class, right? Well, you can do those settings, change those settings from here too, if you wish. Yeah. Cool. This is pretty much Pretty important, I would say, okay, in order to avoid multiple yeses. Nice. Now you can say send. You can click this link and say sort the link. Nice. You can copy this link and you can share this link with students while you are taking class, and they'll be able to enter their name and roll number. Once they do it, you'll have the you'll have the things over here. Okay, name, their email addresses, their roll number. Okay, say roll numbers are say 1 2 something. Okay, I'll just do the following array formula row 1 say 12. What this will do is it will create 1 2 3 up to 12 numbers is common. Okay, suppose these are the roll numbers which attended the class today. Okay, and hence what you will do is the following: just copy this thing. Nice. And you get back to the set, you new set you'll create. Okay, which will take the counts of how many people attended the class and everything. Yeah, and you'll paste those things over here. Say 5th of Feb, these are the guys who attended the class. Control, say control. Cool. Nice. So now your class actually have say 20 students. Okay, and their roll numbers are 1 2 3 up to 20. Now you took a class on 5th of Feb and 1 to 12 were present on that day. Now you'd like to count. Okay, this is, I mean, very simple example. It's quite clear that 1 was present, 2 was present, up to 12 were present, and rest of the people were absent. Okay, so what I'll do is follow. I'll write this command which does the following. In fact, count if column B, okay, contains entry A2. Okay, so it will count how many times column B contains entry A2. So if this entry is equal to 1, then you say present. If it is not equal to 1, or say this condition is not satisfied, okay, then you say A, absent. Cool. So running this particular command over here, I'll get P because 1 A2 was present in this column P. Now same thing here, 2 A3, this is A3. Okay, A column, third entry is A3. A3 is present in column B, it's called column B. Okay, and hence count of A3 in column B is once, right? It appears once. If it appeared twice, which will not happen because we set up, limit to one response, it will appear only once. Nice. So that is also one reason you'd like to set up response only once. Okay, in order to have one over here. Of course, you can set it up to more than 0. That will do no problem. It's good to avoid, I mean, multiple responses as you wish anyway. So this will give me 2, and that way it will continue. So how would you do this thing? You set up a one command. Okay, you write this one command and then you just drag it like this. Okay, and it will do the job. Nice. Now I have copied the same column, and in this another column I have just put a in whole column. Okay, now I'd like to count in these last 4 lectures. So this is on 6th of Feb, this is on 7th of Feb, and this is on 8th of Feb. Say 8th of Feb, I'd like to count how many times student appeared, okay, in these 4 lectures. So it's quite clear. Okay, student appeared like 1 2, that's all, 2 times. So what I'll do is I say count if from C2 column C, second entry C2 to E2, I'll count how many times P appeared. So two times, and hence student appeared two times. Okay. So since there are, what you'd like to do maybe is 3 minus this thing. So this will give me number of absence. Okay. The student did not appear once. Okay. And accordingly can do this thing. Nice. You can see 3 times student did not appear, 3 times, 2 times appeared, once did not appear, exactly once did not appear. That's all. So this is the way you can count the attendance, you see, and that will facilitate the job very nicely, right? And make things very easy for us. You don't have to count how many times student appeared. With that, I guess I'd like to end the video. Thank you so much.